Sometimes the smallest problems we face around the house are also the most annoying, and here's a good example of one: the wobbly chair. Now, to fix it, the first thing you need to know is don't start cutting legs that you think are long, because you'll wind up ruining the chair. The trick is to find the leg that's short. In this case, by putting it on a flat surface and wobbling it, just notice that this is the leg that's short. So we're going to fix that problem by taking a wood shim and sliding it under as far as we need to until the chair's not wobbling anymore. There you go. Now we're going to mark it with a pencil right where the chair leg sits on the shim and cut out that disc with a hole saw. Then pull out the disc as a hole so it's perfect, fits right underneath there. And we're going to put a screw through that in a second, but there you go. You notice that? It takes the wobble right out. Now, we're not going to just glue it on though, because if you take this little wood disc and just glue it there, it's going to pop off as you're sliding the chair back and forth across the floor. So we're going to hold it on with a furniture glide. You can get it at any hardware store or home center. We're just going to put that right on there. And of course, we're going to need to put one on every leg, otherwise you'll still have a wobble. There you go. Now with the shim and the glide under the short leg, put it down, and there you go, rock solid.